So multiple Schedule Cs, worked up an example of that, and this is multiple Schedule Cs also with 3 kids and being married. So being married, that's a lot of work, huh?
Ugh.
Yeah. There's a lot of work, so that's already a lot of work. 3 kids?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely a
Oh,
lot of
no.
work.
All under the age of 17.
No, it's-
All got
these
that X in the box? So
How
that's,
many girls? It's like,
Oh.
are they all girls? Oh, that's
Big
even
girl.
worse. If they were boys, it's easier, right?
yeah, it looks like there's two daughters, 1 son. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you're already seeing a lot going on. A lot going on. And then you also have only $585 in wages.
Yeah.
And then other income, 25,000. So you're thinking, and we can go to Schedule 1, you're thinking that's probably business income, right? Because how are you able to support, marriage and 3 kids, right? You need some kind of income coming in, I believe. And then you're seeing that